Hello everyone. A Letter to God by G.L. Fontes, the first chapter of First Flight, Class 10. Before I come on the reading of or the teaching of this chapter, I want to discuss something with you, and that is what is the difference between theist and atheist. Both words are opposite to each other. Well, theist is a person who has firm faith in God, who believes in presence of God, who feels that God is everywhere. God is omnipresent, God is omniscient, and God is omnipotent. Yes, my dear students, we will read about a person whom we can call a theist, and he is Lenko. Lenko, who is a poor farmer. In the beginning, I talked about a theist. Theist is a person who believes in God, and atheist is opposite to it, one who has no faith in presence of God. My dear student, this chapter is about a belief. Belief, if you have in God presence, then surely every major and minor thing you will comment him, or you will compliment him, or you will criticize him for everything. It is a matter of faith, but not blind faith. This is the difference between faith and blind faith that we will come across while reading the chapter. So let's start now. The chapter is in front of you. Before you read, they say faith can move the mountains, but what should we put our faith in? This is a question. What should we put our faith in? This is the question this story delicately poses in front of you, presents in front of you very beautifully and very softly. Undoubtedly, the mountains can be moved with faith. Lenko is a farmer who writes a letter to God when his crops are ruined, asking for 100 paisa. Does Lenko's letter reach God? Does God send him the money? Think what your answer to these questions would be. I believe the students of 21st century will surely say no, never. How is it possible? Even the 20th century people will say yes, how is it possible? Why the God will send money? God help those who help themselves. But here in this chapter, we will discuss and how the firm faith of Lenko moves mountains of his the problems. And guess how the story continues. Before you begin, let us read. This is something that will surely help you. The cheapest ways to send money is to someone is post office. Yes, everybody agree. Have you ever sent or received money in this way through money order? Here is what we have to do. Here are written some with some arrow mark. You can say this is the process how to send money. Please turn the next page, dear students. Here is the picture of the flick of money order form. I want you to fill this form. Try to fill this form. This will help you when you actually go to post office and try to send money or you receive money from somebody. Okay dear, coming to the actual reading that is available on page number 3. Yes, mid of the page. Yes, my dear students, I am reading the first paragraph for you. The house, that is the only house in the entire valley. You can easily understand this was the only house in the entire valley. Earlier, because the population was less, so घरों के बीच में बहुत gap होता था. You can understand it. So it was the only house and set on the crest of the low hill. Crest here means top of the hill. It was the single house. From this height, one could see the river, the field of the ripe corn dotted with the flowers that always promised a good harvest. The only thing, it simply means the harvest of हार्वेस्ट, जो पकी हुई फसल होती है, जो हार्वेस्टिंग के लिए प्रिपेयर होती है, लैंको का वो खेत इज़ रेडी. And the only thing the earth needed was a downpour or at least a shower. Means there was a need, the harvest was in dire need of a single rain, a shower. Throughout the morning, Lanko, who knew his field intimately, means very minutely, had done nothing else but see the sky towards the northeast. Now we are really going to get some water woman. Woman here is the lady of Lanko or wife of Lanko, you can call. So now we means surely the symptoms are telling, the clouds are giving me the hint that surely the rain will come. He is sharing his happiness with his wife. The woman who was preparing the supper here means the dinner, replied, "Yes, God willing." The older boy were working in the field while the smaller ones were playing near the house. These are the family members of Lanko. The elder brother, son of Lanko, who was helping father in the field, and the younger children of Lanko were playing near the home. Come for dinner, come for dinner. This is the voice by the lady. Come for dinner, the dinner is ready. It was during the meal that, just as, please turn the page, Lanko had predicted, big drops of rain began to fall. Yes, yes, this was what Lanko was waiting for. And finally, his wish is fulfilled. You can imagine kitna khush hua hoga Lanko at that particular moment when the rain started. In the northeast, huge mountains of the clouds could be seen approaching, and the air was fresh and sweet. The man went out for no other reason than have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body. And when he returned, he exclaimed, exclaimed is the sudden feeling, these aren't the raindrops falling from the sky, they are the new coins. And the big drops are the 10-cent pieces, and the little ones are 5s. Can you imagine जब लैंको वन हु वॉज वेटिंग फॉर दैट रेन, जिसको बारिश की बूंदें भी पैसे नज़र आ रहे थे, बिकॉज ही वॉज इन डायर नीड ऑफ दैट. So he was so happy. These words are telling you that he was so happy. That is beyond expectation. With a satisfied expression, he regarded the field of ripe corn with its flowers draped in a curtain of rain. But suddenly, a strong wind began to blow, and along with the rain, very large hailstones began to fall. OMG, serious matter. One he was not expecting. He was expecting just the simple rain, and but not hailstone, but they have started coming. These truly did resemble new silver coins. The boy, exposing themselves to the rain, ran out to collect the frozen pearls, because the children were not aware how harmful it can be for the field. But Lanko, because he was the mature one, he knows how harmful these hailstones would be for my field. लेकिन बच्चे बच्चे हैं, और बच्चे जैसे उन्होंने इन हेल्स को देखा और दे स्टार्टेड कलेक्टिंग इट. इट्स रियली गेटिंग बैड नाउ, एक्सक्लेम द मैन. अगेन, it's getting very bad now. The situation will become worse if it wouldn't stop. I hope it passes quickly. It didn't pass quickly. He hoped that it will pass quickly, but it did not pass, my dear students. For an hour, the hail rained on the house. 1 hour. You can imagine. The garden, the hillside, the cornfield, on the whole valley. The field was white, as if covered with salt, a beautiful white layer that covered the whole field, the whole valley, the cornfield, the hillside, the garden. Everywhere there was a layer of white hailstones. Next paragraph. Not a leaf remained on the trees. रहेंगी भी कैसे? The corn was totally destroyed. The flowers were gone from the plants. Lanko's soul was filled with sadness. Obviously it will happen. जो बंदा खेत में सिर्फ एक बारिश का वेट कर रहा हो और उसका पूरा खेत उसके देखते देखते डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाए, सेम वॉज द कंडीशन ऑफ लैंको राइट नाउ. When the storm has passed, he stood in the middle of the field and said to the sons, "A plague of locust would have left more than this. The hail has left nothing." Locust is an insect which fly in the big groups and destroy the crops. But the hailstorm was more harmful than this locust. And that's why he's saying the hail has left nothing. This year, the consequences, what it would be, he is sharing with his family. That night was a sorrowful one. All our work for nothing. Means whatever we did for the whole year, it is now rewarded with big zero. There is no one who can help us. We will all go hungry this year. Students, I suggest you to try these oral comprehension check